welcome back to the fourth time I'm recording this video. I know what you're thinking. Don't leave. Please leave. Don't leave. Just hear me out here. It's not as bad as everyone says it is. Some people like it. So, just to attempt to prove a point, I'm going to show you some sounds. Let's start off with mobs. Let's do chicken. Amazing, isn't it? I got an OP sword, so I can do this faster. Alright, so that was chicken. All the chicken sounds are just meat. Creeper is a really fun one. Let's get that out of the way.
Dick! Fingers! Dick! Dick!
Trying to get the fourth sound.
My penis cannot get erect.
Okay, there.
I can't believe you've done this.
You also heard the sword. It has a 1 in 7 chance of playing the baseball bat sounds from Smash Bros. Alright, so Elder Guardian. I'm gonna have a little fun with this. So Guardians themselves don't have any special sounds, but their attack and curse do though. So let's emote S. That hurt really bad. Alright, so now we're gonna wait for the curse sound to play. Okay, so that's that. Now I have Mining Fatigue 3 for 5 minutes. Next up, Enderman. Endermen are fun. One of their sounds may trigger a copyright violation on YouTube though, so if it happens, I will have to cut the video.
Here's a number.
Bruh.
Let's just get him in there where he belongs. Alright, so
I broke up with my ex-girl.
let's punch it.
No!
Good, it didn't do it.
No!
Bruh.
No!
He's supposed to be very angry sounds, but he's not.
Wombo combo!
There it is.
Happy feet!
Alright, so that's out of the way. Oh, that's not right at all. Ghasts. Ghasts they don't have specific sounds, so let's do that. Unrest. Indeed, oh god. The pigmen are but pigmen, their angry sound is all changed to one thing.
LeBron James?
Pig. Alright, so pigs. 1 in 3 chance of making a different sound.
Oink!
There it is. Milk or silverfish. Skeleton. Skeletons are fun. We have skeleton out. Should probably also do stray. So this is a skeleton.
Remember to drink your milk.
Strays are just more spooky versions.
Remember to drink your milk.
Except for that stayed the same. Ooh, slimes. I hope I get a medium slime and not a large one, because
Magnum
trash
Dom.
I'm the trash man! I'm the trash
Magnum
man!
Dom.
I'm the trash man! My story
Magnum
so
Dom.
don't get slime attachment. That's never usually a issue. That's why I make
Garbage. Trash. Garbage.
Spiders. Spiders are some of my favorites. If you've ever seen the video Waka Flocka Go to the Boost, it is all clips from that. A second. Even the footsteps. Vex villagers. Villagers are pretty special. It's very villager sounding, I guess. One of the villager hurt sounds is Squidward choking on a fork. Let's see if we can get it. There it is. Boy. Okay. Yeah, let's just walk away from that. Wolf. Every dog sound is a clip of Gabe the dog, dog source. This is before he died, so rest in peace, Gabe the dog. Even the hurt sounds. Even footsteps, so if I were to spawn a skeleton in, so you can hear him walking around.
Remember to drink your milk.
So yeah, that's a fun one. Zombies. If you haven't heard zombies yet throughout the video, they're just corrupted mess. Zombie villagers. Not because of the sounds they make necessarily. That I don't. The cure sound, to be specific. And if it plays at a different pitch, I'll just, because it usually does, I'll just dub it over so that it sounds right.
Thank you for calling Villager Cure Hotline. The zombie villager you called us about is being administered the remedy to revert to default villager form. Please be patient as this can take up to 3 minutes, but can be accelerated by the presence of iron bars and or a bed. If you have any questions, call again using another zombie villager. Thanks for calling. Goodbye.
Okay, so this will take a while. So I'm just gonna go get a drink or something, and I'll be back when it finishes. Yeah. Still, God, this is taking a really long time. Let's admire the scenery while we wait for this to happen. Okay, so he's back. He did it. He made it back. Cool, great. I love it. And now we have to listen to this again. Okay, well, that's mobs. Let's get on to, some not mob sound effects, I guess. Like, a chest. Pretty nice. And chests have different sounds. Anvil. We get an anvil out. Okay, so Fuck. Alright, so, let's see here, doors. All doors have this sound. So if you could tell what the sound of this piston is right away, good for you. You get a sticker. So yeah, that's the loud sex moaning, except in and out. Or out. Sorry. All levers, buttons, tripwire hooks, even clicking in a menu, all have the same sound effect. Just different pitch. They all have one sound file, and I would not have made it that way, but that's what they did. Minecarts. Whenever a minecart is in motion, it plays this. Even when you're outside of it, if you walk away from it, you can hear it fading away. Motherfucker. So if someone's driving by in a minecart, you will hear this. Just kind of fade in and out. Electra has a pretty good meme play it. So here's that. Some sounds aren't memey, like TNT. Motherfucker. That is Donald Trump saying bing. Getting hurt by fire has its own sound effect.
No! 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 It burns! No! It burns! No! It burns! It burns! It burns!
Yep, and I know there's more that I'm forgetting, but maybe that's a good thing, because then you discover it on your own. Ah, here we go. A Totem of Undying. There's only one sound left to show, I guess. Enderman everywhere.
Check in with me and do your job.
He's going down. Okay, so
Check in with me.
Here's a number.
here's a level up sound too. If we can get that. That's pretty much it. If I'm forgetting anything, good. You'll find it yourself and you'll laugh really hard. That's it. Thank you for wasting. For me, it was 25 minutes, but for you, it was probably 10 to 15. Thank you for wasting that amount of time. I'll put the link to this in the description. You install it like any resource pack. You enable it like any resource pack in your resource pack's settings over here. If you've been noticing this thing too, the UI pack that I'm using, that I can also link that if you want to. It is based off of Google's material design, so circles, long shadows. The portal texture uses it, if you've seen that. I'm proud of it. If you want it, I can link that as well. And special items will have a gradient behind it. Diamonds have this light blue thing. Advancements, please. Gold has, yeah, gold apples have gradients. Valuables have gradients behind them, like gold apples, diamonds, magma cream. They all conform to the circle shape. The only issue would probably be how the shadow shows up when you're holding it, and there's nothing I can do about that. That's just the way Minecraft works. If you want this, I'll link it in the description too. Cool. Thank you for wasting your time watching this.